Hi you guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Happy New Year you guys. This is my first video in the new year and I just wanted to wish you guys a happy new year. I hope everyone had a wonderful festive season and you're able to celebrate starting the new year off with friends or family. I went away to Sorrento with my family and my partner's family and we had an absolute blast. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw what we got up to. Yeah, I had such an amazing time and I can't believe it's 2024. Let me know what your New Year's resolutions are. I'm always curious. There's always so many big goals you want to achieve in the new year, but this year I really want to start sewing, so we will see how that goes. I'm a little bit of a hobby whore. I like to say I like to try out a lot of different things, but I tend not to stick to them, so I really want to get back into sewing. I used to sew when I was younger, in year 11 and year 12. I used to make my own clothes, so I'm really interested to do something like that this year. But yeah, we will see. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who showed their support with my 12 days of COLLECTIONMAS series. That's where I filmed my whole handbag collection. If you haven't seen that, you are missing out. You will want to check it out, especially if you want to know what I have in my collection. It's absolutely massive, basically 12 videos worth of collections. I will put the playlist for that in the info bar below. I also shared a new Hermes bag in that video series, so do go check it out. It's heaps of fun, and if you haven't seen it, you're lucky because you've got 12 videos of collections to watch, which is pretty fun in my opinion. But yeah, thank you so much to everyone who watched that. That was so hard to do actually during the festive season, and I'm really happy I pulled it off. But this year I really just want to be more consistent rather than pushing like 12 videos or 28 videos in 1 month. I kind of just want to, you know, keep pacing myself. I know last year I didn't really post a lot just because a lot was happening, but now that hopefully I'm in more of a routine, I can try and get a video out a week. That is the aim anyway, so do give me video ideas of what you want to see from this channel. But today's video, you guys, I'm just doing a very quick one. I wanted to show you guys what I got for Christmas. In particular, I got 2 bags. It's not so much like everything that I got for Christmas because I got some really cool bits, but I just wanted to share with you guys the luxury pieces that I got. Maybe 2 bags, one that I purchased myself and the other one that my partner purchased for me. So if you want to see that, do stay tuned, and if you want to see any of my bags in action, please go and check out my Instagram. I will put it in the info bar below. So I guess I'll start off with the bag that I actually purchased myself, and that is this vintage Bottega bag. I know in my collection video I was showcasing my Bottega collection and I talked about adding a red Bottega bag. I did succumb to adding one recently. This is from Vestiaire Collective, but it is a beautiful sort of dark red Bottega. This is definitely in more of a worn condition, but I got it for a pretty good deal. I think I got it for 800 Australian dollars. I think there was 10% off. With Vestiaire, you guys know you do have to pay taxes and duties, so at least that was paid for with a 10% off. Basically, it's a pretty simple bag. It is a little bit different because the handles are woven as opposed to sort of like, I think, braided with the other one. As you can see, it does have like a bit of wear just here. This is quite capacious, is that the word for it? Oops, it's actually got some, it's got some dirt inside, but it's just a black interior lining. It says Bottega Veneta right there. Yeah, it's pretty basic really. There's not much to really see. It's just in the beautiful Bottega leather, and I just love the red. It's a great shoulder bag, and that's medium size, so you can carry quite a lot. And I like that it's really slouches right there, and I like that it's got quite a long drop here as well. So with this outfit right now, this is kind of what it looks like. I've worn it quite a lot lately, especially during Christmas, with just a pop of red. It's a really beautiful color, and the leather on this is just so buttery smooth. It's so beautiful. So that is my newest Bottega bag. If I find anything similar to this, I'll let you know, but I will say I haven't seen this one that often. That's why when I saw it on Vestiaire, of course I had to get it because it was such a good price at being priced under $1,000. Moving right along, the next item I wanted to share with you guys, not a bag but definitely a Louis Vuitton item, is this Louis Vuitton book. This is the Louis Vuitton catwalk. I absolutely love this. I still haven't gone through it, but it's so cool to go through all the different Louis Vuitton collections, and you can sort of see the bags that it features. The next Louis Vuitton book I want to get is like the City of Handbags. I think that is a bit more expensive. I think this one is a lot more affordable. I think you can just buy this from a bookstore as well, but I do want to get all the different catwalk collections, like from YSL, Chanel, lots of different ones. But I do think that the Louis Vuitton one's so much fun because you can see bags being referenced, and it's cool to see bags that I've never seen before on the catwalk, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I love it. I've had a lot of fun going through this. If you're after a gift idea, this is a really good one for like a handbag lover out there. So this is the Louis Vuitton catwalk. And then finally, but not the least, the bag that I got from Santa is this beautiful Fendi bag right here. It's in the box because I put it in a box, but it actually didn't come with a box. This is a vintage pre-loved piece, and I actually did source it myself because we were a bit lazy this year and actually just purchased ourselves what we wanted for Christmas. And I saw this one and of course had to have it. This I actually purchased from an Australian consignment seller in South Australia, so that was pretty cool. I've never purchased from like another consignment store in Australia before, just mainly like the Perth Affair and like Hawkeye Vintage. Let me just open up the box. So Fendi, as you can see here, to reveal. So as you can see, it's from Vrock. I've never been to this store before, but they do have a physical store in South Australia, which is pretty cool. I used to live in South Australia, and when I lived there was no stores that featured secondhand bags. And I think it's really cool that secondhand or pre-owned bags are becoming really popular and really mainstream now, because I personally love buying secondhand. I think it's like the used car market. Like, you know, there's nothing wrong with buying used, especially if you don't need to have that in-store luxury experience, which I often don't really care for. I would rather have a good deal and a bag that I love, that I can wear, than worry so much about going in store to get it. And I find in store sometimes can be intimidating anyway. So even when I buy brand new, I prefer to get it online. It's just sort of like more fuss free. But anyways, I kind of went on a tangent, but this is Vrock. Put their website in the info bar below. This is my first time purchasing from them, and my first experience. This is not sponsored in any way, and it was pretty quick, pretty fast. And if you contact them on Instagram, they're actually pretty good at sending you additional photos, because this bag that I saw, it was on sale, and it was such a good price. But then when I looked at the pictures, I thought, is there like wear and tear there? Like, is that why it's so discounted? I really wanted it, but the photos weren't super clear. So I actually called my sister to ask her to go into the store to look at it. At the same time, I messaged them on Instagram, and they got back really quickly and sent photos. So then my sister didn't actually need to go. So if you have any questions, I think messaging them on Instagram, they're pretty quick with responses, and they can send you additional photos if you need to. So anyways, that's a little bit about this company that I've used. So comes in this bag. The dust bag did actually come with it. It's just the box that it didn't come with. To reveal, oh my gosh, you guys, can you guess what's inside this tiny dust bag? You probably already know, but please welcome my latest Fendi croissant bag. It's so cute, you guys. This is the beaded Fendi croissant that you would have seen Carrie have in Sex and the City, except she had a green version. I personally love the silver version, and I know that they actually came out or re-released this exact bag in the Baguette with their sort of 97 collection or 25th re-release. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning, and it is in really good condition, and you guys won't believe how much I managed to purchase this one for. It was on sale from 1,600 Australian dollars to 800 Australian dollars. So of course I had to pick it up. It came with free shipping. It was here the next day. It was such a fuss-free experience for me. I had no complaints whatsoever. And the reason I wanted to get more photos was, I don't know if you can see, but just on the bottom there, you can see there's a bit of the netting, but I actually think that's just the bag, because the sequins are sewn on, that's where they've sewn the sequins on, and it's just a bit more exposed, but I can see that there's no missing sequins at all. That's one of the things I really wanted to clarify. And yeah, I'm so stoked. I cannot believe I managed to pick this up for an absolute steal, especially with these beaded Fendi bags. They're so pricey now. I had another like Fendi Baguette that I had my eye on, actually Una from Purse Lover 83, I think. She sent me a link to the real purple sequin baguette, and it is so expensive. I had to pass because I know that's how much they're going for, but I just didn't have the budget for that at the moment. But I came across this, and this definitely sort of scratched that sequin baguette itch, and it's a croissant, so it's even better. I'm loving mini bags at the moment. So this is my present from Santa. Isn't it so cute? And I'm so excited to wear her. Silver, as you guys know, is very in, so this is going to be a really fun like dinner bag. I do find you can fit like enough in this bag just for a dinner. Definitely can't fit your phone though, so I'll warn you guys, if you're trying to fit a phone in here, it isn't gonna work. You're just gonna have to hold the phone in your hands. But just a little bit of detail. You can see it's silver. It's got a silver Fendi logo there. It's got the silver sequins, satin lining inside. There's no pockets or anything like that. And then on the bottom, it's just got like these sort of very small beading to line the bag. Those are my two latest handbag additions. I know I said I wouldn't get this one, but I had to for Christmas. And then of course this one is from Santa, so I'm very grateful. That is it, you guys. Let me know what you think of my latest addition. If you haven't seen my 12 days of COLLECTIONMAS, I will put it in the info bar below. If you don't follow me already on Instagram, please go ahead and do so. And as always, hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.